back, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open the box and see exactly what's inside and see if it's nice and easy to get to the stuff. Sometimes it isn't. Looks like the instructions fell out over there. There we go, the instructions. You have the little tiny drone right there. I'm guessing you probably have to charge it up before running it, and it looks like it's been zip tied on, and I don't like that. If there's one kind of packaging that I don't like is when they zip tie it like that. It looks like the remote comes out pretty easily. It looks and feels good. It doesn't feel like one of those really cheap ones. It takes only, is that for real? Only 2 AA batteries. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right, and feels pretty smooth. Cool. On off button. And I guess we'll have to see how good the quality on the screen is, but this is pretty fantastic. I love this. This feels great. Holding that. And anything else that I need to worry about? I think there was a charger. I don't know where it is, but USB charging cord says it's in here somehow. I have no idea how to get to it. I have been stumped. Alright, well, eventually I'll have to figure out this craziness here. And when I do, I'll let you know. But for now, I won't try to destroy this, and I'll see you in the next video.